Dale, boss. Get everything ready.
We're gonna have an orgy afterwards.
What?
What?
Now you will see. Let's use these 2 bricks as weights. Then your leader will be able to stay quite easily at the bottom, and everyone will see what will happen.
Please let it be the water.
Obviously. He's gonna die.
Here we go.
Here we go!
Now.
Oh dear.
I just realized I'm very ugly!
With my last breath, I kiss Zoidberg! Is that like a dog right there? He's not breathing.
Huh.
Quickly, throw the other brick in and hit him in the head! I do not understand what happened. Seriously, that's like the ugliest mouse back there.
Mm.
Get him.
Do it to him, and then.
You're making a mistake. I am your emperor. Understand me.
Understand me! Love me!
Fix them so that they'll never hurt anyone again. We'll fix them all right.
Oh, they're even planning to beat children?
We've won. We've won. We're the best.
Why couldn't you have been the only casualty?
Bingo. Come here when I'm talking to you.
Yes, Your Majesty, I'm here.
It's time to go. Are you ready?
Just a minute, Your Majesty.
Wait, I thought he was evil.
Suitable on. Yes, yes.
Okay, that screwdriver's creepy.
Come on, Screwy.
Hey, wait a minute. Didn't they say that they didn't have any screwdrivers?
They only had 2 in Atlantis, and he has one of the 2.
Ah.
In that when they were talking about that Mechanicet or something.
The Queen and I should reward your efforts.
By giving you mortality, which means eventually you will die.
Yay! What do we get? What do we get? Cheese for everyone!
As soon as it's ready, you'll find out.
Thank you. That's incredible! Fabulous! It's brilliant! Let's go
He
check
made,
it out!
let's see, he made that with 1 screwdriver.
What?
And, well, let's just say it's Atlantean technology,
Yeah.
and that way the pain will not be as severe.
Uh-huh.
Are they making it where you're not going to live on the surface, but you're going to live in the Titanic?
Your Excellency, Councillor Pingo.
Here I am, coming!
Coming, let me get my mascara.
Now it's down to you to carry it.
Well done! You were wonderful!
Silverfish
You
need carry, big ship.
It's a job well done.
Thank
Here,
you,
he
Your
looks like an
Excellency.
Apache. No offense to all Apaches out there.
You! We really need it. Huh? What's happening?
Audie, His Majesty asked me to come and help you take the Titanic to the Forgotten Island.
Good! You're the man for the job!
Why am I suddenly thinking of that song that the teacher sings in Finding Nemo?
After you!
Audie, you hold the boat.
There's nothing to see.
To keep it steady and then we can
Jesus Christ, look how big he is!
He is huge.
I just pooped a little.
Then. Oh, can't you feel? We've started moving again.
Seriously,
Here we are.
that screwdriver is the most unnecessary character in this movie since Pingo.
Well done, Screwy. It's working just right now.
Even I am totally ignoring your uh-ohs.
And for your efforts, I'll make you second in command. What?
I say, yeah, what is it, Screwy? I can't finish this game of Simon. Seriously, that looked like a game of Simon, you know, the...
Eh.
Yeah, Mom! Help me! Help! Help!
Here is the reward we promised you. This island is now yours, and this will be your new home. This is a secret island, unreachable by anyone.
This will now be your home, like it or not.
But we'll never see our friends from Atlantis again.
Come with me.
Come with me, you big baby.
Okay.
Okay, that background's really weird.
This place is deserted. There's no one here. No Pingo, no Biagio, nobody.
That's good!
And I met a lovely lady dog, too. She was really nice.
Oh, you mean Frank?
We'll have to start our lives all over again? We're gonna have to start from scratch?
Come, this way.
Yeah, come this way. Stop asking questions and you will get the answers. But the more you ask, the more I'm gonna get pissed off and the slower I'm gonna go.
We're so happy you're here.
Welcome, welcome.
Thank you.
Your Majesty.
Boo!
Oh,
This is just...
Get a room!
Your Majesty, this is amazing.
does this mean we'll be able to see each other whenever we want to?
This isn't a mirror. It's a special screen, which allows you to see everything that's going on in the world.
Could you tell us how it works then?
You just have to think very hard about who or what you want to see, and the mirror will show you.
Unfortunately, I am seeing the last
Who did
part,
that?
which we'll have to watch.
Yeah.
It's just